Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to another Phonetic Sounds video. In this video, we're focusing on the sound U. U. So to make this sound, you make a circle with your lips and relax the tongue in the middle of your mouth. U. U. So let's take a look at some words with the U sound in them. I think I might read a book. Book. Look, there's my foot. Look, there's my foot. This fence is made of wood. Wood. And here's a tongue twister to practice that sound, U. If a woodchuck could chuck wood, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Now it's time to take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. In English, we have a short sound and a long oo sound. Sometimes these get confused. So for example, two words with these two sounds in are pull with and pool with oo. So short and a long sound. Pull, pool. And these two words have different spelling. So pull is spelt with a U and pool is spelt with double O. But often both this short vowel sound and the long vowel sound are both spelled with a double O. So let's take a look at an example of these different sounds but with the same spelling. He stood on a spoon and looked at the moon. He stood on a spoon and looked at the moon. So with the short vowel sound, we have stood and looked. And with the long vowel sound, we have moon and spoon. But back to our sound U, a couple more examples of words with the U sound in.
There's a wolf in my garden.
I've got a chook in my garden. A chook. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little about the sound U in English. For videos of all the different phonetic sounds in English, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, either here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. There's lots of different videos of ways to practice your English pronunciation, from tongue twisters to limericks and so much more. Just doing a few minutes workout every day will help to improve your English pronunciation by working those English muscles. And in turn, this will help your English listening. So head on over to the gym for a workout now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.